Hey guys, hope you are doing well. Welcome back. Today's video is going to be an interesting video. I hope you remember recently I changed this key case. Like I have installed this premium key case. At that time I have showed you guys that this logo is missing. The VW logo is missing. So after the long research I finally found the logo, the VW logo for the key, like for the remote key. So today's video is going to be the installation of this VW logo. So yep, it's going to be an interesting video, guys. Watch the video till end. Okay guys, so this is the key of my VW Polo. So this is the premium case which I recently installed, and you can see there is no VW logo. So I have ordered it. Before installing this, I have to remove this entire key case. Let's unbox the logo first. Okay, so this is the parcel, guys, which I have received. I'll just quickly show you. Okay, so this is the logo, and this is the like their card from where I have purchased this. So this is called WAG Motoring. Let's open this. So this is the VW logo for the key, like for the remote, and this is the OEM logos. So I'll just show you. Okay, so I have ordered two because I'll maybe. Okay, so this is the logo, guys. So this is not in blue color. They have added some blue cover, so you can remove it later after installation. So let's remove the entire case and let's install it here. So as I showed you before, you will get two screws here. Once you open that, you can remove the entire case. Okay guys, I have removed it. So you can see, due to this old look, I have installed this key case. So here we have to install the logo. So let me clean little bit here. So I'm taking one logo, and let's remove this blue cover sticker they have added. Okay, so I have removed. Now you can see the logo here. So this is the updated logo. I'll explain you later. And here you will get two sides tape which you have to remove, like this. I have raised this nail for this particular things, guys. Okay, so this is the gum, and now you have to install it here. So make sure whenever you are installing, make sure you're installing straightly, so it should not make any difference later. Okay, so let me install. So guys, I have installed it. Okay, you can see I have installed it straightly, so it will not make any difference now. It's looking straight. So ignore this key because it's little bit very old, like it's very old. Installed it. Now you can see it's looking good now. So now let me add this case. Okay, let's see how it's looking now. Let me add those screws. Okay guys, so this is done. Okay, this is how it's looking now. It's completed, like it's giving a complete look to the remote. Now let me add this keychain, a small keychain as well. Okay guys, so let me explain you about this logo quickly. So this is the updated logo. Before the Volkswagen used to use their old logo, like the V and W letters were little big. As you can see on the picture, this was the old logo, And later, after 2019, after they have updated their logo, so they have designed it little sleekly. So this is the updated logo. So I'm pretty lucky that I got it the updated logo for the keyfab with the perfect size. This is the 12 mm size. And if you guys have any update, like recently launched cars like Taygun, Vitas, for them I think it's come with 14 mm of size. So this is the 12 mm and the updated logo, which is the OEM part which I have received. So yep, so this is the complete look, guys. As you can see, I'll give you all the details from where I bought this and what is the cost of this logo. So yep, guys, that's it. Okay guys, now let's discuss about the cost. This logo costed me rupees 450 rupees. Not for single, I bought two logos. If you buy a single logo, then it will cost you 350 rupees. If you buy two, then it will be cost you 450 rupees. Like it's the price will decrease on the quantity how much you are ordering. So I bought this logo from WAG Motoring, so they are very trusted vendor. So you can purchase any kind of OEM accessories for your Volkswagen and Skoda cars, like for the German cars, obviously. So you will get all kind of accessories from them. So you can contact and purchase from them. So yep. Um, as I showed you, it was the updated logo of Volkswagen, as I showed you earlier. So yep, if you want, I'll add the link in the description so you can purchase from them. That's it in today's video, guys. So hope you all enjoyed the video. It was helpful to you. Meet you all in my next video. Till there, take care.